Right now, the Camp Nou stadium is entering one of its most important phases. The compression ring is rising fast. The third tier is nearing completion, and for the first time, the facade is starting to take shape across multiple sections. But here's what makes this moment interesting. While some areas are already entering the finishing stage, others are still catching up. And that balance between progress and pending work could define the final timeline of the entire project. So today, we're taking a closer look at what's really happening across the stadium and where things stand right now. The compression ring continues to move forward steadily, with work happening simultaneously across different sections. Pillars are being installed one after another around the stadium, each carefully aligned with the super pillar system. At the same time, a new radial beam has been introduced, helping strengthen the overall continuity of the ring. A recently added compression segment has pushed the total count to nearly 20 units. Meanwhile, workers remain active in handling materials, positioning support beams, and preparing for the next round of installations, clearly showing this area remains the top priority. Inside the stadium, the press room is steadily developing, with its primary structural layout already finished. Spaces such as corridors, technical rooms, and seating zones are becoming more defined. However, system installations like cabling, along with detailed finishing work, are still in progress and will require additional time. The cantilever levels are advancing with a clear separation of functions across each level. The VIP section is structurally ahead and already transitioning into interior finishing. The general spectator level is approaching structural completion, while the upper level continues to focus on logistical setup and service integration. Each section is progressing according to its purpose, with multiple systems being integrated simultaneously. The third tier is now closing in on its final structural stage, with most of the main framework already completed. Ongoing work includes joint sealing, surface refinement, and preparations for seating installation and finishing elements. While a few sections are still incomplete, overall progress suggests a phased completion approach rather than a single full delivery. Concrete activity remains ongoing in the south goal area, where 2 pump systems are positioned on site. One unit is currently inactive, while the other appears ready to begin pouring once a mixer truck arrives. At elevated levels, workers are using platforms to carry out beam adjustments, and crane movement in the area indicates continuous material handling operations. Safety railings have now been installed along both sides of the compression ring, allowing secure movement for workers at height. From this vantage point, the structure's geometry becomes much clearer. Notably, the compression ring follows a distinct alignment compared to the stadium bowl, an important design aspect that influences installation. In central zones, workers continue assembling components in preparation for upcoming lifting phases. In the corner section, facade preparation has reached a key milestone. The removal of alignment guides confirms that anchor points are now properly positioned, signaling readiness for facade slat installation. Workers are actively conducting inspections, while materials are already organized nearby for immediate use. The north facade is now showing clear signs of transformation, with ceramic panels being installed across new sections. A newly formed horizontal line of cladding highlights steady expansion across the structure. With the supporting framework already complete, this phase is now shifting toward visible finishing. However, some areas still require painting and final detailing before completion. Across the site, vertical structural elements like columns are progressing at different stages. Some are fully completed, while others are still undergoing construction. Workers continue operating on scaffolding and platforms, carrying out adjustments and finishing work. Crane operations remain consistent, supporting lifting and placement activities throughout the structure. In the north goal section, work continues around piston-like structural components. At lower levels, sandwich panels have been partially installed, with additional materials staged nearby for upcoming phases. Internal structural activity is also ongoing, with certain supports still awaiting connection elements, indicating that this section is still in preparation mode. The tribune terrace is showing steady progress, with multiple platforms active across different levels. Workers are focused on surface finishing tasks such as smoothing, scraping, and preparing areas for painting or coating. At the same time, precise alignment corrections are being carried out to ensure structural accuracy. We are moving to the North Goal, where we bring you an interesting from this area. The North Goal corner remains one of the busiest technical zones today. Over every area of the stadium is showing steady progress, with development advancing day by day across all sections.